Hey y'all, I got sent over this printer stand. We're going to do a little box opening and put it together and see what we think about it. So stick around. Okay, with any luck, I'm going to be able to check to see if the audio's working. Alrighty, with any luck, we are going to be able to work on this table here. I can lower this table and I can raise this table, but hopefully this printer stand will stand on this table. Says it is 30.70 by 4.72 by 20.86. Not real sure what 4.72 is. Guess we're gonna find out. Let's try this. It's kind of heavy. Probably breathing real hard now. A little manual labor. Hey, I'm an old man. Okay, older, not old. You ever have that feeling you know you're fixing to sneeze, but you don't know when because you can feel it up in here? That's fixing to happen. Okay, these are not going to have casters. They're going to have little feet. That's a little disappointing, but it is what it is. Not much parts to this. I see some instructions in there. Will be two of them in the next video. Seems like they're taking forever to get this done. We have a chair. Oh, that makes a good chair, doesn't it? Just kidding. Figured we can just take all these parts and kind of scatter them around over here. We have assembly instructions, one sheet. I like one sheet assembly instructions. Oh, it does have casters. All right, those must have been for something else. I don't know. Cool. I'm happier now. More bubble wrap to cut loose. I need a new knife. Maybe one of them sellers will see this video and say, hey, he needs a new knife. Let's send him a knife to do a review on. I will gladly review it for you. Anyway, that is pretty, y'all. Look at that dark wood. Oh, man, yeah. I like that. Ooh, fancy. Should utilize my chair over here, or my stool, really. It's not really a, well, it is a chair of sorts, but I like that wood for real. Static electricity. They packed it really well. Got this styrofoam in there to keep it from scratching up against each other. That's really nice. Okay, I think we're at the bottom of the pile. I'm getting crowded up over there. All right, where's step one? Step one, unbox it. I'm just joking. Step one, we're going to use this one and the other one. All right, we are going to, what if we had to put those little pieces in there first? That way so we don't scratch the bottom of it. Oh, it's the casters that go on there. So I don't want to scratch that. We're going to skip a step, but shh, don't tell nobody. Our little secret. Y'all probably think, just put it together, dude, so we can see what it looks like. I know. But, you know, I got to entertain myself a little bit. Now, I'm getting out of the steps here, but I'm only doing this because I don't want to scratch the table with that metal. And you're talking about some thin tools there. You probably think, dude, don't you have any boxing and wrenches? Well, actually, I do. But to be perfectly honest with you, 3:05 a.m. And it's dark out there. Not only that, I just really don't want to go out there. To the shed, that is. Wish they'd send a little bit thicker. It would have been nice. Do these have, yes, they do. Oh, they have little brakes on them. You'll look right here. You can see that. You see that little spin? You flip that down, and it locks them. Now, I wouldn't park on a steep hill and trust these brakes with this, but, you know. On the floor, it should be all right. One down, 10 to go. Okay, maybe I exaggerated a little bit. Okay, my suggestion, throw this away. Go find you a wrench that will actually fit. Gonna be a little better. All right. Okay, now back to our assembly in order. Back to number 1. We're going to put C and C together with H. Anyway, I'm assuming this is C and C because it shows some long pieces, and that appears to be the only long pieces there are. They're not numbered or lettered, but it's got to be what they are. And the screws are in these. Curve towards me. I don't think it really matters. I was just looking, our casters was step number 5. I guess we can skip step number 5. Uh-oh. Guess I hit my button. We're going up. Love an electric desk, but not when you accidentally hit the number. But that's okay. It might actually be a little easier. That's not easier. I guess it's the disadvantage of having your casters on there already. You're wondering why I'm not getting that one. That's why I'm not getting that one yet. Because I did drop the one, but I had a feeling I might drop the other one, so I just waited until I got to that point. Okay, now this is showing be like this. Actually, I'm not going to tighten that one up yet. I'm going to get this side in over here, then we'll tighten both these up. And this will go like this. No, I'm just playing. It will go like this. Y'all's probably going, Now we can tighten these ends up. Okay, step number 3. We're going to put a shelf in here. It says it's G. Gotta be this one. These are not lettered, but quite obvious which one it is. Right. Now we are on step 4. Going to put our top shelf on. Now there's 2 of these. I guess one's going to be top, one's going to be bottom. Yeah, now see, we needed these holes to go this direction, so we're good. We can probably go ahead and tighten these up now that I can see what we're doing. And tighten them up before I forget to tighten them up. Actually, that kind of turned that. Let's wait. Let's wait and get a board on here. I don't want it I don't want to fight with it. These are heavy shelves, y'all. This is not light, cheap stuff. Now, I'm not saying this is real wood, but it's heavier than a lot of the furniture I put together. Okay, those screws may not line up, so I would suggest not tightening these up all the way. I wish you can flex it a little bit. All right, I'm assuming our next shelf's gonna go right here. Wonder what these long ones are for. Guess we'll find out. Uno momento. All right. Oh, we're gonna put our long board. Ooh. Okay, we lucked out, y'all. This is not exactly the same. This one has your regular holes that's going to go through here. It's also got holes right here. And that's where we're going to put our short board. I wonder if I can lower this some more. About as low as it's going to get, but That might be low enough. You have 2 holes here and 2 holes on here, so this one go like that. With J, which these are J. Anybody see where I put the Allen wrench? There it is. It was hiding underneath the bag there. Yeah, that's not gonna be right. Ooh, glad I didn't get that tightened, because our screw holes for our shelves are over here. When we put this board here, we're blocking 2 of them. So it's gonna go on this side, here like this. Alrighty, there's that. On to the next step, and that is putting. How mad are y'all gonna be at me if I put this together wrong? This shelf was supposed to be down here. This shelf's supposed to be up there. So y'all run to the bathroom, go get you a drink, and I'll be back in a moment. Let me make some adjustments. Okay, we are on step 4. Let me flip that up. Man, that's pretty wood. I keep saying that, but it really is. And remember, we didn't tighten these up. No, it was these we didn't tighten up. Let's tighten these up right quick. They're snug, but not tight. Do that before I forget. The little Allen wrench is getting rounded corners on it, and we're not done yet. Soft metal. We'll be right back. Okay, now, to finish step 4, we were going to put the top shelf on the top. And it is going to, the curb is going to be to the front. This board is going to be to the back, closest to y'all. Now, I bet these, because I saw, these have holes, this board has holes, and there's those. So, yep, J is going to go in there. These are J. A little faster than that Allen wrench anyway. Okay, step 5, we're going to put our casters on now. Woo! Okay. Step 6 is take it down off of this. So we're done. How's that look, y'all? It's really nice. I like that. I like that wood color. Very pretty. Let's take it down, take it in there to the office, get a few things put on it, see what it looks like in the real world. Stick around. Oh, by the way, if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate that. Also, if you want one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go to the Amazon page and order your own. There you go. Now, let's go to the office. Well, there it is, folks. What you think? Just because it's a printer stand doesn't mean you have to put a printer on it. Although I do have a label printer that I'm going to put right there. Got my laptop up here. You can put a big printer up here. Printing paper and stuff you can put there. You can arrange it however you want to. But just out of curiosity, this is going to be the shelf, actually, because that's what's important. Outside to outside doesn't really matter, unless you're just limited on space. Anyway, that shelf is about 22 inches. So outside to outside, you're looking at 23 and a half inches. And it is about 19 inches deep. And with the casters on here, which those other little round things that I thought was going to be on the bottom, you can put those on there if you don't plan on moving it. So it would be good there. I can see that. And that is 32 inches. So basically 3 shelves, bottom, here, and here. Really pretty wood. I like that. Looks good on this floor too, I think. What do I know? Anyway, I know it's a good solid shelf. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Definitely. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.